Okay, again, let's just start reading this problem first. We have the pressure in a water cooling line at a power plant must remain less than a certain value, so a number, before an emergency situation occurs. So if you can imagine that, they're talking about a line blowing up because it had too much pressure on it. The pressure is at 78% of the emergency limit. So that tells me what the pressure is now, although I'm not quite sure what the exact number is. And the limit is 97 pounds per square inch. The pressure is measured in increments of a tenth psi. This number here becomes important when we find our final answer because we're going to put it in, round it to the tenths place. How many psi can the pressure rise without reaching the emergency pressure limit? All right, so our first step is, I might as well do this, to 78%. We need to convert that to a decimal. So we move our decimal 2 places to the left. Of means times, so now we have 0.78 times 97, because it can't get above 97. If it gets above 97, we're in trouble. All right, so let's grab our calculator. 0.78, type your numbers in carefully, times 97. We get 75.66, or 75 and 66 hundredths. Okay, so that's what the pressure is at currently, and we want to know the difference between 97 and 75 and 66 hundredths. Difference means subtract, so let's set up our next step. 97 minus 75 and 66 hundredths. Again, to save time, I'm going to grab my calculator here, although this is a problem that I should easily be able to work out paper pencil. 97 minus 75 and 66 hundredths equals 21 and 34 hundredths. But remember, we're going to the tenths place. So the 3 is in the tenths place. I look at the 4. The 4 is less than 5. So I round it off at 21.3 psi. That is all it can rise before it reaches that point where it shuts down the system. Again, this is a complicated problem. There were lots of words in here that would intimidate a kid, but if you take your time and you read through it slowly, it comes together pretty easily. So if you still have questions, go ahead and watch this video again.